So the move I'm going to teach you today is going to get your body into the strongest positions possible, which is going to allow you to move safely and effectively. And that's going to help you to keep your body in full control and allow you to lift heavier weights, which is going to really help you to develop your physique. The move is called 90-90 breathing, and the objective is twofold. First thing is to optimize your breathing mechanic by helping your ribcage to expand both front and back. And secondly is to help you keep your ribcage in a stacked position over your pelvis, which is going to apply to pretty much every single strength move that you do, whether it's lifting heavy or doing calisthenics. Now, a lot of people experience tight pecs and tight traps, and this is because usually these muscles are compensating for lack of movement in the ribcage, which is what we're going to fix. And also when it comes down to the lower body, lack of movement in the ribcage can also cause dysfunctions in the hips. So if we can address this is going to have a powerful impact on the way that your body moves. So like with every exercise, the setup is super important. So I'm going to go through the feet, I'm going to go through this angle, I'm going to go through your pelvis and your shoulders, and then we'll do the actual breathing exercise. So in terms of the feet, what we want to do, they don't want to just be like there limply on the glass resting there. You want to kind of grip, and hopefully you're using a wall. I'm scared about breaking this, but you want to grip with your toes. I just pull my toes down and into the glass there. That's going to help you get some tension in your lower body, and you'll feel that all the way through your legs too. For bonus points, you can grab a small ball and then you can just squeeze that, and that's going to help bring your pelvis or keep your pelvis in a nice rigid position, because we're now engaging the adductors in this position too, which is fantastic. So from here, what we want to do then is we've now got feet gripping the wall. We've got this nice 90-degree position, which actually helps to bring your pelvis into the best position possible. And then in terms of the back, now what I'm going to do is if I lie flat, my back is in extension, which is a pattern that we don't really want because we want to stack the rib cage. So to stack the rib cage, we just bring the rib cage down, and now I've got contraction in my abs. So if you come round and just look at my abs here, they are in tension, okay? Whereas here, they're obviously relaxed. So we just want to bring these in tension, okay? And then the rib cage we know is down, all right? And then just keep tension through the feet, and then you'll feel everything is pretty much in a nice strong position. Once we've assumed this position, it's time to actually start the breathing drill. So once we've got that set up with your feet on the wall, that 90-degree position, bonus points keeping something tucked in between your knees, pelvis tucked under slightly, so the tailbone going up slightly, and shoulder blades up so that you've got that tension through the abdominals. We're then going to do a breathing exercise, and it's going to be very simple. You're going to breathe in through the nose for 5 seconds until you really feel the rib cage expand. The rib cage will be the only thing that moves because you're maintaining that tense position. Once you've fully expanded the rib cage, the next thing to do is to just breathe out as much as you can. And this is where you're going to start to feel your body shaking a little bit as all the muscles start to contract and keep you in that stable position. And then that's going to really engage all those muscles around the spine, so all the core muscles, to ensure that they're being fully activated in this movement too. And then you're just going to repeat that 3 to 5 times, and that's all you need to do. So that there is 90-90 breathing, and whether you're a beginner or advanced, that's a move that you should really do at the start of your sessions to ensure that you've got your breathing mechanics in place and to help you to get that pattern of the rib cage being stacked over the pelvis. You're then going to be able to take that into the movements that you do and perform those movements more safely and effectively. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.